Hi, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Rich Side Insider, a place where future millionaires come together to get ideas. Today, we're gonna talk about Tortoise Acquisition Hyliion Stock versus Nikola Stock. So, if this is your first time to Rich Side Insider, we talk about stock investment, real estate, how to make more money, and how to get rich in life. So, if you want to make more money and succeed in life, make sure you subscribe the bell so that you do not miss any of our videos. Okay, three stocks to buy. We are on my channel. I posted about three stocks to buy on August 31st. So in September, so what happened the next day? The stock went up. The Walmart it went up 6.29% on September 1st. Market cap became 417 billions, and they were close 138 the day before, but then they opened at 141.20. That was a big jump. So look at this one, August 31st, 138.85. That's a big jump. I think so many people have been watching my channels, I guess. So yeah, maybe I should be. This is a free money. 6.78% free money. But the only thing is that it's becoming more expensive for me to buy Walmart stock. So that's pretty much crazy. So maybe I should buy stocks before I post videos. What do you think about it? Leave your comment below. Okay, so the another stock Nike, what 111, and it's also jumped the next day as well. It pays dividend yields of 0.84%, and the same way, the previous day close was 114, then it opened at 115. So that's also a jump too. And look at Netflix, 529.56, and it's just on August 2nd, it just became 552. It jumped as well. So yeah, but there are more better stocks than the ones that I post on YouTube. In my course, the students they will study really hard, and this student is very very hardworking. He started as around 30,000. Now he made profits up to 68,000. No, look at what he said. Learning from you is really lucky. So yeah, and also another person as well. She watched my channel and she also took courses from me. And basically, in one day she made 10,000 in Tesla, and in total return 25,000 only in Tesla. Of course, there are other stocks that I talk about in the course as well. So, SHLA, I made a stop prediction on around August 28. So, not that at the time the prediction was $45 to $100 between now and completion of mergers. And look at the stock price right now. So, if you haven't watched my stock predictions video yet, go to my YouTube channel and you can watch it. And now it's 55.85%. That's a pretty big jump. It was only 40.27 on September 1st, and the market cap is only 1.63 billion. But this today, September 3rd, it dropped, became 1.48, but it's still a lot. It's still more than the day that I made before. It's only about 7 days ago, around August 25th. So this is still a big jump. So nothing changed. It's only the temporary market corrections. So today we're gonna talk about Hyliion stocks and news and update, and SHL Tortoise Acquisition Hyliion Stock versus Nikola. What are the differences? And one is Tortoise Acquisition and Hyliion merger happening, and where is Tortoise Acquisition SHL stock going? So comment below if you want me to talk about other stocks as well. So the more requests there are, the higher the chance of your stocks getting featured on this channel. So if the bonus there's gonna be my prediction somewhere in the video. So you make sure you watch the video and take the end. So what really happened? Shares and Tortoise Acquisition and Hyliion appears on track to close by the end of September. So by the end of September, this special purpose acquisition gonna acquire the company Hyliion, which is a private company. So basically this is already a public company, but it's an empty business because it has nothing. So until they acquire Hyliion, Hyliions or Hyliion or Hyliions, whatever. So it seems to be on track, and also that they haven't announced a date yet for the shareholder to vote. So if there is a date coming, make sure you vote yes, because that's all we are paying for, right? We are all paying this much for the stocks, for because of Hyliion, not because of Tortoise Acquisition, which is a share company, empty company. So so make sure you vote yes. So comment below if you're going to vote yes. VOT, vote why yes. And another thing is another difference between Hyliion and Nikola's. Hyliion is already generated significant revenues, and they are expected to forecasted to generate revenues of 322 million in 2022, and and 2.1 billion in revenue by 2024. That's a lot. Just imagine, it's almost 10 times within 2 years. It's almost 10 times the revenue. And Nikola is not expected to generate even a dime in revenues. And all these facts place the Hyliion a pedestal above Nikola expectation. That's something to really think about it. Nikola's doesn't make money yet, but Hyliion already have the products, and they all even partner with Idealist. If you don't know what Idealist is, you go and watch my videos, the previous video about Tortoise Acquisition. So look at Nikola Corporation. This is the chart for September 2nd. So the market cap is 14.94 billion. They made no money, no revenue at all, and it's 14.94 billion, and 52-week highs was 93.99. This is only 40. It's less than half of that. It's less than half. So 14.94 billion. Just think about it. And Hyliion, the SHL, Tortoise Acquisition, is only 1.63 billion. So that makes me think. Nikola doesn't have a product, doesn't have any revenue, and they are having a market cap of 14 billions. And this Tortoise Acquisition, which is gonna become a Hyliion after the merger, the Hyliions already have a product, and they also have a revenues, and they also already partner with Idealist for the demonstrate their products. And this is only 1.63 billion. So either the Nikola is very much overvalued, or this Hyliion is undervalued right now. Just think about it. So after the merger, just say it's gonna become 3 billion, not even 14 billion like Nikola. 3 billion. The stock price could double after the merger. Is it possible? Yes, absolutely. But anything could happen between now and the merger. But after the merger is successful, yes, absolutely. Let's just look at Nikola. And so there's bonus coming soon. And what to do now? So risk capital, not knowing what you're doing. So whatever you invest in, either SHL or Nikola or any stock, make sure you know what you're doing, and make sure you know the company and business and management is very important. And only buy something that you will be perfectly happy to hold if the market shut down for 10 years. Let's say you want to buy SHL tomorrow, and do you believe that this company is going to do better in 10 years? If the stock doesn't trade after you buy. So today, but one thing for sure, what Buffett said, you should never hold cash, because cash pays you virtually nothing, and it's certain to depreciate value. And success comes from knowing what you don't know. So make sure you try to find out more about the business, the company, and try to know what you don't know before. So that's where your success comes from. So I'll also subscribe, share this video if you haven't shared yet. That's gonna help out the channel a lot. I really appreciate that. And also the more you share, the more people can get rich from the knowledge. If you haven't got a free stock yet, you can get a free stock in description and comment. And America's wealthiest dominated stock markets. This is in 2016. The top 1% own 50% of the stocks. Not everybody who owns stock get rich, but looks like all the rich people have invested in stock market. Almost all. I cannot say everybody, because there might be somebody, but you should know that if the person is rich, he either owns his company or have a stock market. So basically, he owns the stocks in his company. So yes, rich people own stocks. Okay, so all rich people own stock. So and yeah, the richest Americans, look at 2019. It even gets worse. Top 1% owns more than 50% of the stock market. So this is the reason why the rich get richer. The rich get richer, and that's why I want everybody to rich. This is the purpose of my channel. So make sure you learn stock investing so that you own the stocks, get a piece of the wealth for American wealth, so that you get richer for your family, you can leave legacy for your children, and try to get free audiobooks, because the CEO reads about 52 books a week, 52 books a year, so one book a week. So you try to learn a book every week, so you can get a free audiobooks. The link's gonna be below as well, and you can get one free stock for Robinhood and two free stock for Reboot. So just deposit $100, so you could get up to 1,400. And if you have only $10, you want to invest in Apple, that's all right. I have a link down below. Click the link and you will get $10, and then you can invest in fractional share. It's at M1 Finance. You can only get it $10 by clicking the link below us. And if you want to become a realtor, real estate license, click the link below as well. You can become a realtor as well. And they are best credit cards in my opinions. I put the link below. So if you want a credit card and you don't want to pay interest for 12 months, a year, or 15 months, you can click the link below as well. And there will be if you are paying more than $15 a month for your mobile plan, you're paying too much. So I have the link below. It's only cost about $15, and unlimited data, talking, testing, and free. If you are thinking about traveling, the free travel credit is in the link below as well. So the bonus are coming. So my prediction is the stock price could reach between $45 and $100 between now and the completion of merger, and the stock price also could shoot up over $100 after merger. I haven't changed my prediction yet. No matter what happens, unless there is a really stock market crash or anything like that, or if there's something wrong with the merger, so it doesn't materialize. Yeah, of course it's gonna drop. I'm gonna hold and more. So I'm still making 92.64% profit right now. So this is a disclaimer. All investment have risk, and you can make a lot of money or lose all your money. This channel is only for education and entertainment purpose only, not investment advice to buy or sell this stock. Do your own research, independent research, before buying or selling any securities. So if you want to reach out to me, the best way, comment in the YouTube video below, and you can also reach out to me on Instagram and Facebook. Let me know where you are watching from, your city, state, and country. Comment below if you have any questions. Subscribe YouTube and like See First Facebook and follow Instagram. And don't forget to get your free stocks and audiobooks in the description and comment. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.